The top 10 most powerful bulldozers in the world. When we say powerful, we mean powerful bulldozers. And this is what it looks like driving past one of the quote-unquote smaller behemoths. But we'll start off this list with the king of all dozers, the Super Dozer. The king that's still in production. There's an uncrowned biggest dozer that we'll cover a little later on. Number 1. Komatsu Super Dozer. The Komatsu D575A Super Dozer is an absolute beast. The biggest, most powerful bulldozer ever built. Designed for massive mining and earth-moving jobs, this machine is a powerhouse with a 1,150 horsepower diesel engine. It can push an insane 90 cubic yards of material in one effort. This giant weighs 152 tons, stands 16 feet tall, and stretches 38 feet long. It's built tough, with heavy-duty tracks that let it plow through rough terrain like it's nothing. Used mainly in mining, the D575A can replace multiple smaller dozers, making big jobs way more efficient. Komatsu first introduced it in 1989, but by 2012, production stopped due to high cost and declining demand. Some units are still in use though, proving how legendary it is. If you love heavy machinery, this dozer is the king. Before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button, like these dozers are about to smash down entire buildings. 2. The CAT D11. The CAT D11 is a monster of a bulldozer, built for serious mining and earth moving. It's got a massive 850 horsepower CAT C32 engine, cranking out 3,995 Newton meters of torque, so it can push just about anything in its way. This beast weighs 229,800 pounds, or 104 metric tons, and stands 15.4 feet tall. With its gigantic U-blade, it can push 57.9 cubic yards of material at once. It's 35.8 feet long and 22.1 feet wide, rolling on giant 36-inch tracks that keep it stable, even on rough terrain. Fuel? It guzzles 425 gallons at full capacity. And despite its size, it can hit 7.3 miles per hour forward and 8.7 miles per hour in reverse. Built tough, the D11 is a mining favorite, competing with the Komatsu D475A and even the retired D575A. Number 3. Shantui SD90. Ever wonder how the Shantui SD90 stacks up against giants like the CAT D11 or the Komatsu 575A? Well, this beast holds its own with a massive 1,050 horsepower Cummins engine and 4,629 Newton meters of torque. Serious power for mining and heavy earth moving. This thing is 105 tons of pure muscle, stretching 38 feet long, 18 feet wide, and standing 15.7 feet tall. With its massive U-blade, it pushes 50 cubic meters in one try. It rolls on a 2.5 meter wide track, keeping it stable on rough terrain while exerting low ground pressure, 0.013 megapascals. Fueled by an 1,800 liter tank, it cruises at 11.5 kilometers per hour forward and 14.5 kilometers per hour in reverse. Plus, its spacious, ergonomic cab makes long shifts more comfortable. The SD90 is Shantui's answer to the world's toughest dozers. 4. The Liebherr PR 776. The Liebherr PR 776 is one of the largest and most powerful bulldozers in the world, built for mining and heavy-duty earth moving. With its 12-cylinder, 24.2-liter Liebherr engine, it pumps out 598 horsepower forward and 768 horsepower in reverse. Serious muscle for tough jobs. This giant weighs up to 161,354 pounds, or 73 tons, and can push 22 cubic meters, or 28.8 cubic yards, with its massive U-blade. It's 14.3 feet tall, nearly 19 feet long, and rides on a 2.5 meter wide track, making it stable on rough terrain. Its hydrostatic drive system gives it seamless power to both tracks, meaning smooth turning, even on the spot, With its 1,224-liter fuel tank, it runs for long hours at up to 10.5 kilometers per hour. Plus, the high-tech cab offers great visibility and comfort. Number 5. ACCO Super Dozer. Imagine parking your car next to a bulldozer the size of a house. That's the ACCO Super Dozer. At 183 tons, it's heavier than 100 average cars and stretches 40 feet long, 23 feet wide, and 10 feet tall, about the size of a 2-lane road. Powered by 2 Caterpillar engines cranking out 1,350 horsepower, this beast was built in the 1980s for massive Libyan earth-moving projects. Its 23-foot blade can push mountains of dirt, while the 10-foot tall ripper crushes anything in its way. But despite its record-breaking size, it was never used. The trade embargoes left it stranded in Italy. Made mostly from Caterpillar parts, it remains a legendary, one-of-a-kind bulldozer. Today it sits in Italy as a reminder of what could have been. 6. John Deere 1050K. Compared to the ACCO Super Dozer, the John Deere 1050K is much smaller, but still a powerhouse in its own right. While the ACCO weighs 183 tons and measures over 40 feet long, the 1050K comes in at a more manageable 42.8 tons and 12 feet long. Powered by a 350 horsepower engine, the 1050K is no slouch, capable of moving earth with its U-blade, 11.3 cubic meters capacity, and a semi-blade, 9.5 cubic meters. It offers excellent control with its hydrostatic transmission, which gives it full power to both tracks for smooth turns. This dozer also comes with an impressive 681-liter fuel tank and high hydraulic flow, making it efficient for long shifts. The 1050K is a great balance of power, precision, and comfort, with its suspended undercarriage and ergonomically designed cab for the operator. 7. Komatsu D475A. We have another entry from Komatsu, the D475A, a dozer built for heavy-duty tasks like mining and large-scale construction. Powered by a 664 kilowatt or 890 horsepower engine, it's designed to handle some of the toughest jobs out there. The D475A weighs in at a hefty 108,390 kilograms or 238,960 pounds and features a 35.6 cubic yard or 27.2 cubic meter semi-U blade, capable of moving a lot of material with each push. With a maximum speed of 11.2 kilometers per hour or 7 miles per hour forward, it's got plenty of power and speed for tough environments. The D475A also boasts impressive hydraulics with a maximum flow of 542 liters per minute and a relief valve setting of 280 kilograms per centimeter squared for smooth operation. Its durable undercarriage with wide tracks helps spread the weight for better ground pressure at 112 kilopascals or 16.2 psi, making it stable and reliable across rough terrain. 8. CAT D10. The CAT D10 is a smaller sibling to the D11, but it still packs a punch. With a 602 horsepower engine and an operating weight of 70,256 kilograms, it's a force to be reckoned with on the job site. The D10 features a Caterpillar C27 engine, which helps it power through tough materials with ease. Whether using the 24.2 cubic yard semi-U blade or the 28.7 cubic yard universal blade. Compared to the D11's larger size, the D10 offers impressive maneuverability and efficiency. It has a maximum speed of 12.5 kilometers per hour, 7.8 miles per hour forward, or 15.7 kilometers per hour, 9.8 miles per hour in reverse. The undercarriage system provides great stability and helps distribute weight evenly with a track gauge of 3,048 millimeters. Inside the cab, operators will appreciate the sound-suppressed, spacious design, which enhances both visibility and comfort during long shifts. 9. Fiat-Allis Dozer. The Fiat-Allis Dozer, specifically models like the Fiat-Allis 14C, is no longer in production, but it still holds a legacy in the dozer world. With its 150 horsepower engine, it's capable of taking on tough tasks in construction and mining. Weighing around 40,000 pounds, it's no lightweight. With its 5.5 cubic yard blade, making it perfect for heavy-duty earth moving. When you look at its dimensions, you see why it's such a beast. At 16 feet long and 10 feet 6 inches high, it's nearly as long as a small house and tall enough to stand out on any job site. It moves at a speed of 2.5 miles an hour forward and 3 miles per hour in reverse, making it a reliable crawler. With 50-gallon fuel capacity and a 16-inch track width, it was made to handle a variety of terrains, even if it's not rolling off production lines anymore. If you enjoyed this video so far, please don't forget to crush that subscribe button. 10. The CAT D9. Imagine the CAT D9 as the size of a small home. It's a massive machine designed for tough jobs. With a 452 horsepower engine and a 110,225 pound operating weight, it's built to handle big tasks like earth moving in mining and construction. The D9's Caterpillar C18 engine ensures it has the power to push heavy loads, with a blade capacity ranging from 17.8 to 21.7 cubic yards, depending on the model. It's 25.6 feet long and about 13.4 feet high, which makes it one of the largest dozers on the market. The undercarriage has a track length of 11.4 feet and a track gauge of 7.4 feet, giving it excellent stability and traction. It's also built for speed, with a forward speed of 6.8 miles per hour and reverse at 8.4 miles per hour. Inside, the cab offers plenty of space and comfort for long shifts in challenging environments. Do you think CAT makes better or more powerful dozers than Komatsu? Or is it the other way around? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed learning about bulldozers, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more heavy machinery insights and updates. Stay tuned for more action-packed videos. See you in the next one.